people, I'm sorry. I know you can't see me right now, but I'm going to be showing you how to make a really cool slime. And it's really sticky. So what you're going to be needing is Elmer's glue / school glue, cream of tartar. It's like a powder thing, and you can use gel or water. I'm using water to make it wetter. And I'm not actually gonna show you making it. I'm making it right now I'm gonna make it out of the camera, and I'm gonna you can add food coloring to make it colored. I'm gonna use purple / bluish gray to make it a really cool color, and I'm also gonna make orange food coloring. And yeah, and then after that you have to put it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or if you put it in the freezer for 30 minutes. So I'll be back. I'm gonna go make it, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just made it, and I'm putting it in I have it in the freezer right now, and it's almost done, and I'm gonna be taking it out. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I just got it out. I put it in a container, and it's very sticky, so you have to wait a while.
It's cute.
Yeah.
So there it is, actually, and it's really cool. But you have to wait a little so it's not as sticky. Okay, and it's so sticky, so you really need to wait. It's already sticking to me, and this is.
Stop watching that stuff right now.
This is.
Stop watching.
Oh,
Right
guys,
now.
sorry.
I don't want you talking about that. I don't want you to hear anything about that. Get off that topic.
Okay. And here is orange. This is the one I put in the container too. It's really sticky. It's the same thing, you need to wait. And also, I didn't really show you this detail. You can use, I put, stop, Jonathan. I put, shaving cream in this one to make it not as sticky, and it worked, but it's still sticky. And you can see the difference. That's the very sticky one, and that's the puffy one, because you can see that this one's so sticky.
Stop putting your finger in it.
And this one's the orange. It's not as sticky, but it's still a little, but it's really fun. Okay, guys, I hope you liked this video. Comment down below if you ever want to try to do this, and give me a thumbs up if you liked it. I think I already said that. And subscribe. So, yeah. Bye.